Hello everyone, this is Lolly and I have a box opening today, and this is my new machine from Button Boy, and this makes 1¼ inch buttons and flare, and my previous one is a 1 inch, and I decided I would like to have some more room for more design and more words on my buttons. And so, but this one I can still make, oh, and there's the Mylar, I can still make flat backs with this size. I did order the pin backs for this. So there's the pin backs, there's the disc, and here's the punch that came with it, 1.629 inches. And there's the Mylar, and here's the machine. So I can get that out of there, left-handed. Okay, so I've been using a button machine for a while, and this is the small version. They do have bigger ones. There's some more Mylar and some more pins. It comes with a few, but I ordered a kit where you would get extra sets. It's a very heavy machine. It's like it's made out of cast iron or something. It's just very strong steel. Okay, so, wow, this is going to be great. So I'm going to use something here as an example. Let's look and see. Okay, so what I have is some comics here, and been looking at cutting up pieces in it and finding an image that I like that I can use for this. Let's try this one right here at the top here. Right there. And then we want to put a dome piece on the left-hand side, and it needs to be round side up. Get this in there. And I'm assuming I need to put this in here the way that I want it to be worn. And then one piece of Mylar, make sure I just got one. And then for the pin back, okay, it's going to go this way, but it needs to be inserted into the machine upside down, and I think backwards from the way that I like to wear it. Spin that around, pull the lever. Spin that around, pull the lever, and we shall see. There we go. Perfect. And that's the first pin. So I'm going to have a blast with these because I have several pins in my shop already. Buttons and flares that I have turned into various things. I will eventually get the flat backs for these as well, for those of you who like to craft with these and glue them into your memory decks cards and your other crafting, and also so that I could make shakers out of them. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll give you the link down below to my flair making 101 video and to my shaker flair, and to show you how those are made. And thank you for watching. I'm also going to give you the link to my shop. Eventually you will be seeing these this size 1¼ in my shop, but it will take me a while to get up an inventory. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for subscribing.